Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna finish putting on the oil pan, timing cover, and hopefully get it prepped for paint. So make sure I clean everything real good. Alrighty. Put on the timing cover. I like to put a little bit of RTV. Not a lot, just enough for the gasket to stick on there. Just like that. You guys see it? Maybe? Yes? No? There you go. Kinda. It was just enough for the gasket to stick. Gasket. Just enough for it to stick. Helps you a lot. And I do the same to the cover. Just a couple of dabs. Done. Just a little extra insurance. It's just whatever. Ah! Thank you. Good thing about having a Mexican wife. Check it. Gotta love that Mexican food. And on these, you just want to snug them. You don't want to go too much. and just go around and snug them again. And everybody asks me, how did I learn to work on motors? You just learn by doing it, really. I mean, sometimes you're gonna mess up, sometimes you're not. I've had like 40 something cars already, and every single one I bought was broken in some way. And all I did was fix the motor and drive for a little bit and sell it and do it all over again. Honda, Chevy, Toyotas, a couple Fords. That's how I learned to work on motors. I just do the head gasket, get the head resurfaced, fix it, drive for a little bit, sell it, and then go buy me another car. Same thing. I just like working on cars, my own cars. If it messes up, then it's whatever. Alrighty. Now for the oil pan. That one maybe? Oh yeah, I got it. Or this one. I like this one better. What about the back? The back is going to be the little one. Hold on. Yeah, so. I don't know why they sent there. I guess it's preference. One's thicker than the other. You can see that. Kind of, not really. So. And again, I like to put a little dab corner. Boom. Boom. Put this on. And again, a little dab on this corner. So dab on the bottom and top. Dab. Dab. Throw it on. There it is. Then you just gotta figure it out. Alright. Put a couple more dabs. Make sure this thing don't leak. Cool. Almost done. I've been trying to finish this motor for the past 2-3 months, but no time. Having 2 kids, full-time job. I'm trying to do this all myself. I don't feel like paying anybody to do it. you don't want to go too tight on these because you'll flex the oil pan and that's where it'll start leaking. I think they go to like 97 inch-pounds or 11 foot-pounds. One of those two. There goes that damn AC again. Oh, su chingada madre. At least the lighting is a little better on this video. So I wanted to apologize for the last video I made. The lighting was bad, AC was kicking on and off. I mean, in my defense, that was only the second video I've made. So I'm still learning how to edit, how to do all that stuff. So hopefully I get better with time. Now this 406 was originally going to be for my white truck, my 90 Chevy that I have outside. But I seen this Impala, this 66 Impala on OfferUp for a good price, a really good price actually. I seen it for $2,200. And that's been one of my dream cars, 1 out of 3. So I just had to get it. And yeah, so once I got it, I knew this motor was gonna go on that. So. Now I gotta build another one for that white truck. But we'll see. Because I do have another 400 right there under the table. See if I can flip it up and start flip it over. Ah, you wait. That's one thing that sucks about not having nobody over. Ah, you wait. Woo. Hi. So yeah, here it is. Whew. Starting to look like a motor now. So I got another 400 right there. So yeah. And then got a boat motor right there that I need to build. It's got water in the oil. That's my 66 Impala that I took apart. But yeah. Whew. Alrighty. So on the next video I'm gonna prep it, tape it up, clean it up, get it ready for paint. See how it looks. Thank you for watching. Come back.